Bravo Charlie Sierra is also getting a little bit of volume. It's not that big of a jump. It's not up a lot, but it's definitely a name that's moving or has a chance for a movement. Echo Delta Alpha Papa EDAP, a name that was on our watch list yesterday. Strong move. 439 was yesterday's high. Almost at that level right now. Pretty good volume early on. I want it. Riot blockchain just made new highs. NSPR right now is starting to move. I definitely want to keep an eye on Riot. Remember how Riot has traded as of late. Wasn't that great yesterday. Good chance today for a movement.